long as you know this and you communicate your material. Most people I speak to mention that their public speaking fears stem from making mistakes. But the truth is, your audience doesn't really care about the little things. It's your job to know what lessons you want the audience to walk away with, to know the material, and to know what you're saying. As long as you know these things and you can communicate your material clearly, I like to say, in a way that a 5-year-old will understand, then you've done your job as the speaker. Don't apologize for mistakes that you make, because this makes them seem bigger than they are, and your audience will start to feel uneasy. Calling attention to your mistakes in a negative way will distract them from the meaning behind your words. If you end up making a mistake, make light of it, or move on like it never happened. Don't be a sorry person. Be a memorable one. Apologize for the mistakes that you make. Apologize for the mistakes that you